Hey everybody, this is HVAC Exploration's Carrier 38 CKC. It is an air conditioner, 2.5 ton, and it's getting replaced Saturday with a unit. Still an air conditioner. You might hear the contactor pull here in a second, so we'll wait for that right now. And there it goes. It's the contactor. It does have a refrigerant leak, so that's why it's getting replaced. It is not a Goodman, if people are still thinking that's what it's going to be, but here's the inside. And we're going to get a final startup of it, also known as its final words.
Okay. Here comes its final words.
Final words of the Carrier. Goodbye, Carrier.
My last time ever hearing this compressor in person, ever.
Last time ever hearing this thing.
Of course, because it has no refrigerant left, it's not going to get cold. This is warm, and this is... Alright, well, final time hearing it.
Goodbye, Carrier. The final wind down.
Nah, because when
Spin down.
when I get this thing, I'm keeping it. Once it's removed, I'm keeping this thing. I'm going to wire this thing up and run it. Of course, I'm going to unplug the compressor because that's going to be detached from there. So I'm going to wire up the thing and plug in because I've got 220 in the garage. The last time this compressor will ever be heard. Been hearing this compressor for years, so it's kind of sad. In the off position.